Turn the headlights on. What's up, John? How's it going? What's up, Scott? Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Stephanie. So, yeah, just doing a real quick video. All the lights are done on the trailer. And then, so, hang on a second. Got the LED on the top. You can't miss me. So, like, there's no reason I should get hit at all driving this thing at night. And then for when we get down to the boat ramps and need to... Hang on one second. Need to figure out where the stuff is to go. We've got everything fully lit up now with the LED bars